Rock, I got 4 of them.
Hey, push that car up. Put it up.
In or out? In or out?
In out, actually.
Okay, we got everybody check in. We got Marshall.
More so out and in.
All right, lineup's going to be Garrett, Bruce, Brian, Ray, Dale, Austin, Les, and Jerry. Okay, guys, let's get them lined up. Alan, or Garrett, Bruce, Brian, Ray, Dale, Austin, Les, and Jerry. All right, guys, looks good. Next time, keep them off each other. Next time, we're going to go. Watch turn 4, watch turn 4. All clear. Okay, low and 2. All clear. Got Garrett out front. He's in that blue number 5. Followed by Les Hartzell in the 537. Brian Price in the 77 up to 3rd. Watch the back stretch. Stay low in the back stretch. Stay low. He can help in the back stretch. All clear. Garrett out front, that blue number 5, followed by Les Hartzell. Driving that 537. Austin 3rd, Jerry 4th, Dale 5th, Brian 6th, Bruce 7th, Ray 8th. Your leader working on Austin. Leader's the number 5 car. Oh, you just tangled up with Austin. I think you're going to lose any spots yet. Garrett still out front. Followed by Les, Austin, Jerry, Dale, Brian, Bruce, and Ray. Austin trying to close it on Les. That last qualifying spot, Les has it. Austin all over him now. Race for second between the 537 and the red and blue car. Heading down the front stretch. They got the leader right behind him. Garrett, that's the position in front of you, so that's second place, so you can just bide your time. Austin looks underneath. Oh, he touches the plate. Pull it off, pull it off. Watch that run, watch that run. Got Jerry Holder now up to second. And that number 1 car. Leader right behind Jerry. Jerry getting his money's worth. Always going to be me.